Lines from the deserted village. Sweet Auburn, loveliest village of the plain, where health and plenty cheered the laboring swain, where smiling spring its earliest visit paid, and parting summers lingering blooms delayed. Dear lovely bowers of innocence and ease, seats of my youth when every sport could please. How often have I loitered over the green, where humble happiness endeavored each scene. How often have I paused on every charm, the sheltered court, the cultivated farm, the never failing brook, the busy mill, the decent church that topped the neighboring, the hawthorn bush with seats beneath the shade, for talking age and whispering lovers maid. How often have I blessed the coming day, when toil remitting lent its turn to play, and all the village train from labor free led up their sports beneath the spreading tree. Will many a pastime circled in the shade, the young contending as the old surveyed, and many a gambol frolicked over the ground. The sleds of art and feats of strength went round, and still as each repeated pleasure tired, succeeding sports the midful band spired, the dancing pair that simply sought renown by holding out to tear each other down, the swain mistressless of his smoted face, while sacred laughter tittered round the place. The bashful virgins sighed long looks of love. The matrons glance that would those looks reprove. These were the charms, sweet village sports like these, with sweet succession taught even toil to please. These round the bowers their cheerful influence shed. These were the charms, but all these charms are fled. These were the charms, but all these charms are fled. Ere the land to hastening ills of prey, where wealth accumulates and men decay. Princes and lords may flourish or may fade. A breath can make them as a breath has made. But a bold peasantry, their country's pride, when once destroyed, can never be supplied.